16 minutes.
Boston Fire Department checking on a possible carbon monoxide leak. Not too sure what they have. We'll take a quick walk up and see what they got going on. Maybe nothing, maybe something. Just see what they have. They probably checked in, see if there's any CO2
Car 7, a Central Station alarm. 160 Southampton Street, Roxbury. Car 7, a Central Station alarm. 160 Southampton Street, Roxbury. Nearest box 7273 Southampton and Atkinson Street, 017.
And this is the time that everybody should check their carbon monoxide detectors to make sure they're working properly. They have at least 2 in the house, at least 1 within 10 feet of your living space, mainly your bedroom, but it can't hurt to put 1 in the living room or the stairwells as well. Check your dryer vents and all that good stuff.
Engine 42, you want car 9 to return. Car 9, you can return, okay?
So I guess they were all set. They're telling car 9 to return.
2 minutes.
We gotta do this last video before I head in.
Company's on the air, stand by for alarm of fire.
Oh, they're gonna strike a box. Stand by, guys. See what box they're gonna strike today.
Calling engine 10, cover engine 2.
Attention engine 10, cover station 2, 021.
is calling ladder 4.
Ladder 4.
Received another call from Central Station. Another general fire alarm at that location.
So they're checking out
Yeah,
to make sure the things are up and up, the right PPMs are getting the right readings, and
Ladder 17, cover station 2. Attention,
like I said,
ladder
not too sure
17,
exactly what they
cover
have, but
station
it
2,
came in as a possible
021.
carbon monoxide activation.
Engine 2, 653 Broadway. 3-story attached. Just getting an odor of smoke. Engine 2's Broadway command.
Anytime they get a call for an odor of smoke or smoke being seen, they strike a box.
Investigating an odor of smoke. Houston is in.
Mercury, Tower Ladder 3, a structure fire, 653 East Broadway, South Boston. Mercury, Tower Ladder 3, a structure fire, 653 East Broadway, South Boston. US Fox 7312 East Broadway and I Street, 022. Ladder 17, rehab unit, a structure fire, 653 East Broadway, South Boston. Ladder 17, rehab unit, a structure fire, 653 East Broadway, South Boston. US Fox 7312 East Broadway and I Street, 022.
Detecting food on the stove.
This time of night, you know, a lot of people,
7-2.
they start cooking and they fall asleep. They forget they have the food on the stove, and that's what you usually have. Try not to cook when you're tired. So they get the all out.
That's how it's that call 42. Engine 10, ladder 17, you can return your own quarters. Thank you.
Attention engine 10, cover station 10. Attention engine 10, cover station 10, 024.
We got it, thanks.
Like I said, not too sure, but they are investigating.
Attention ladder 17,
There may be
cover
something,
station
maybe
7.
nothing at all,
Attention
but
ladder
they got to
17,
check it out to make
cover
sure.
Station 7, 024.
This is a 3-story brick frame. So good, they're coming out now. Hopefully everything is okay. They give the all clear. The quarters is literally around the corner, so I'll probably head out of here and probably show you them backing into their quarters.
No reading. Occupant of food river. Movement 76. 27.
Alright guys, Engine 42 is back to his quarters. Catch you guys on the next one.
Kilo 498.